kind of cave thing.
No, I did, you dink.
Okay, he found it, and it's very unstable, and he was hitting it, so I'm not going to be in here. What's up, guys? Today is a kind of special day. It's my second vlog with Hockey Trainer Elite, or Silas, and today we're going to be going to Peggy's Cove, and then maybe the Lunenburg, which is a place in Nova Scotia. Also, same with Peggy's Cove. I actually did make one vlog in Peggy's Cove, or it was just like pictures in a vlog, which that vlog was my 6th vlog, and if I remember, it'll be up there or in the comments or the description. And yeah, I'm gonna be going there, and then to Lunenburg maybe, and then for sure I'll probably be going to the ovens, which is like caves and cliffs and stuff. And I'm gonna be going with Silas too, and it's gonna be awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I think now is gonna be a time lapse of driving there, probably not, or whatever. You guys will see. Anyways, see you in the next clip.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
We are here at Peggy's Cove now.
Yeah.
He's making a vlog here too, so check that out. He was in my last video too. It's like a double vlog.
Yeah.
He was gonna do a double vlog, but he couldn't upload the first one.
Yeah, he kind of had some difficulty.
He's gonna upload this one though.
Yeah.
I don't know why he wouldn't be allowed to. So.
Whoa. Trying to jump in that.
Yeah, I actually have been here for a vlog before. It was my 6th or 7th vlog, and I was here with Liam and Annabelle. And this time I'm here with Hockey Trainer Elite or Silas.
Okay, so we were like, human hair sauce.
Yeah.
So we were over there, and then there's this big, like, massive drop, and I run as fast, like, I was expecting to jump to get to the other side because I was right there. I'm like, no. I thought I was dead.
Yeah. I'll also probably have a slideshow at the end of this vlog. So yeah, that's the first part.
It was kind of like this. I was about to jump, thinking there was something right there because I couldn't really see it.
Except there's a bit. Yeah. Here, wait. I'll go down and look up to you.
Yeah.
Like above, like this high, which is pretty high. It's about like 7 feet, or like 6.
Probably was
more
a
like
bit higher.
it was about 6 feet.
Probably was
Six,
higher.
probably like 6'6", and he almost just like jumped off at full speed. Probably would like broke your like legs.
Why not dare you to drink it?
Yeah, I'm gonna feel the water. Kind of cave thing.
No, I did, you dink.
Okay, he found it, and it's very unstable, and he was hitting it, so I'm not gonna be in here. But I'll show you it from the other
Big, actually.
view.
And it looks very unstable, so we're not really going to stay under here very long. But yeah.
I'm filming you recording a vlog.
Julian's filming.
Yeah, check out his vlog. Check out her channel. Link will be in the description below.
I don't even know who her channel is. But yeah.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, I had that on video from the side and I didn't even see it. I didn't even get it.
You know? This one right now, but here he is. Hey. Peel into your face.
Yeah. Silas are vlogging at the same time, so it's weird.
Yeah, you're a skunk.
I am a skunk.
Okay.
Anyways, we had dinner.
And we'll see to show you.
Or not dinner. We had whatever it's called, whatever meal of the day that was.
It was like fish and chips, and I had a Caesar salad along with Annabelle. Annabelle was very cool. She chose the salad, and then Julie was like, "I'm gonna eat fish."
Fish for the win, except
then,
I didn't eat it.
Yeah, and then he like drank like 2 things of the ginger ale.
No, I actually didn't
And he
finish.
probably emptied like half of the salt container, along with the pepper. It was very awkward. Hey,
You're
go
very
back over there,
awkward.
guys. Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna go all the way like down there somewhere.
I'm gonna do a time lapse now.
Yeah.
Watch your motherfucking tone, boy. Yeah, heard, boy. All here going on, motherfucker that don't understand the concept of putting money first, boy. I'm about to hit you with the word, boy. I'm about to hit you with the word, boy. I hate coming through stunting on niggas that I know. That's the word. I'll admit it, I'll admit it. You haven't been a man for like a minute. I tell you that I'm in it for the long. You can really get the business. I'll admit it, I'll admit it.
My intro before Silas's. Huh? And we're at one of the destinations that we wanted to go to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I took a picture of the village like this. I'll pop that up on screen now. And oh wait, look. Wait, I see this like stack of stones or whatever. Here. Wait, I'll just film it to the other side. Hey, look, there's that stack of stones or whatever. We're gonna go over there right now. Look how many of these there are. Might not show up on camera, but there's so many of these. There's at least 100 of them. Okay, this is great.
Swampy.
Yeah, swampy. Spit again. You spit again. No, don't do it.
Why not? Hey. Oh, whoa.
That's a bit close.
Hey. Yeah, so we're just climbing on the. Oh, look, there's more over there. There's them everywhere.
There's so many of them. Oh, that's a big one. Didn't we already see that
yeah,
one?
we already saw that one.
Yeah.
Let's go try to find that ledge thing up there. Oh, look, there's someone doing yoga.
Are you sure it's not me? I'm pretty sure I'm doing yoga. Now we have to delete stuff. Also, yeah, we found this cave. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, man, it's pretty sick.
Should I sit on top of it?
Spitting. Oh my
Please.
gosh.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna murder you.
I'm gonna put that in slow motion and zoom up on your face when you say that.
I wish I could pick up.
As soon as I said that, you looked up at the camera with this really sad face and I was fully zoomed in.
Is it still videoing?
Yeah. It's called recording, by the way.
Stop. Seriously, no.
Okay, wait.
I'm disgusted.
I can't.
You are seriously disgusting.
Okay, I'm done. 3 bars out of 5 on my Fitbit. How many are you? How many are you?
Like, I don't really care.
Silas is just chilling.
Chilling like a babe. Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Recording? Are you recording?
Yeah, I can camera you too, mister.
Yeah, but my camera's blocking my face. Oh, Oh, okay, guys. I am riding a huge lion right now. We're actually not allowed to ride them, but Silas doesn't have storage, and we're gonna go up all the way to the top of that tower. We're gonna climb up the wall. Yeah.
Oh, I don't have any. Have to time lapse.
Okay. Come on. We need to be ahead. We're gonna be running.
Oh wait.
Once we get to the top here. There goes Silas. Slowing down. Okay. Oh, there's more. Okay.
Please take a picture. Yeah, I can take a picture. I use some film.
Subscribe. YouTube.com/ScorpiosMonkey. Subscribe.
He sucked.
I do.
He sucked.
I suck moving the vacuum.
Oh.
There's also windows, but they're pretty big, so they're gonna hurt my eyes. Echo! I am back, and this is going to be the end of the vlog, so make sure to subscribe to Hockey Trainer Elite. I don't know which side it's on, but I'll probably forget, but his channel will be in the description anyways. Or on either of the sides, like the info button. It'll probably be in the comments or the description as well. And also make sure to subscribe to the Diamond Girl who is there. Link will be in the description and the comments below. Follow me on Twitter @ScorpiosMonkey. Let's get this video to like 15 to 20 likes. And make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Links for that is all below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Bye.
I know you want this for life. Taking pictures with all my eyes, but I can't have no wife. I just want you for the night. I know you want this for life. Taking pictures with all my eyes, but I can't have no wife. I just want you for